Namaskar friends, welcome to this video session. In this session, we are going to analyze RL circuit. In one of the previous session, we have prepared this RL series circuit. And if you want to learn how to prepare this RL series circuit, then the link for that previous video I am providing down in description box. So now let's start our today's session. Our source is of 220 volt, 100 ohm resistance and 20 millihenry of inductor. We have used the scope to measure the waveform. What we'll do first, we'll run this circuit, stop and observe the waveform. So now over here you can see that this is our supply voltage, this is the current passing through this branch. We have kept the value of resistance much larger than the value of inductor. That means we know the equation I is equal to V under root R square plus XL square. So the value of resistance is much larger than value of XL. That means that this circuit is going to behave more like resistive circuit and less like inductive circuit. Now you just observe this waveform. Let me draw it. So this current is passing through this RL series circuit when the circuit is more resistive, or if we call it a pure resistive circuit, right? So when the circuit is pure resistive, you can observe that the voltage and current, they both are in same phase. So current is in phase with voltage when the circuit is purely resistive. So in R we can write that V and I have 0 degrees phase displacement, right? So V and I has 0 degrees phase displacement. Now what we'll do, we'll change this value of resistance. And we'll make it much smaller than this inductance. So now virtually we are preparing a purely inductive circuit, or more inductive than resistive circuit. So let me just arrange this. Yes. So now you can see that see, observe the waveform of current. Previously it was in phase with voltage and now it's out of phase with voltage, and that out of phase is of 90 degree. So current lags behind voltage by 90 degree. Why? Because we have created purely inductive circuit, or tends to inductive circuit. Now let me draw the waveform of this current. This is current when circuit is purely inductive. So this is the difference you can observe, right? And to understand it better, let me draw the waveform of voltage also. So now let's just observe. When the circuit is purely resistive, right? At that time current was in phase with voltage. But as we have turned this circuit into inductive circuit, current starts lagging behind by 90 degree. So this is what happens when the circuit is purely inductive. Current lags behind the voltage by 90 degree, and when the circuit is purely resistive, currents will become in phase with voltage. Now let me show you something else, that when we make RL circuit, not dominating resistance and not only dominating inductor, but the value of resistance and inductor, they both are moderate. right? So let's run this thing. Stop. So see, now you can observe this waveform, right? Let me draw it. And see the green one. This green waveform is the waveform or the current flowing through this circuit when the circuit is RL type. So to understand this thing easily and to remember this thing easily, we'll just draw this thing R, RL and L, right? So when the circuit is purely resistive, there is 0 degree, and when the circuit is purely inductive, the lagging is of 90 degree. But when your circuit is RL, it is in between 0 and 90. If your circuit is more resistive, then your lag is less, and if your circuit is more inductive, your lag is more. As you can see from these waveforms, in initial circuit the resistance is too much high, or we can say purely resistive circuit. Then we have shifted to RL circuit, and then we have shifted to purely inductive circuit. So this is what happens with current when we shift from purely resistive circuit to purely inductive circuit. So this is what the analysis of RL series circuit. I have separate video on the analysis of RC series circuit. If you want to watch that, the link of that video is down in description box. And if you want to understand that why this happens, we have seen that thing that when we increase the inductor or when we dominate the value of inductor in circuit, the current lags. But why this happens? This is the fundamental question. So if you want to know why this happens, please write in comment section, yes, we want to know why this happens, and I will make animated video on this, that why actually current lags behind when the circuit is purely inductive. So that's all from this RL series circuits analysis. And if you want to know something else and more about this thing, you can anytime contact me by writing your queries in comment section. So thank you for joining this video, and that's all. Bye bye from my side, and we'll meet you soon in some another video of Learning Vibes. Bye bye.